Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Cash App loans. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone and go to the Money tab at the bottom left. If your account is eligible, you'll see the Borrow option. Keep in mind that this feature is only available to eligible users, so not everyone will have access to it. Next, tap Borrow, and it will give you some details. Then tap Get Started. Cash App will show you your available borrowing limit. After that, enter the amount you want to borrow or choose one of the suggested amounts. Now review your loan details. Cash App will show you the amount you're borrowing, the flat borrowing fee, the total amount you'll need to repay, and the repayment deadline. For example, borrowing $20 with a 5% flat fee means you'll need to repay $21. Tap Next, then choose your preferred repayment schedule. If you tap on Choose Repayment Schedule, depending on your account, you may be able to select automatic repayments as money is added to your Cash App balance, weekly installments, or a single payment before the due date. Simply click on Next. If this is your first loan, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity by entering your SSN. Then it will ask to enter your cash PIN. Then it will ask for your details, such as your legal name, date of birth, and address. Here, Cash App will ask you to review your order. Once you've reviewed all the loan terms, tap Borrow Instantly to confirm. The borrowed funds will be deposited into your Cash App balance where you can spend or transfer them. If you want to repay the loan early, return to the Borrow section and tap Repay Early. You can choose to pay your next installment, the remaining balance, or enter a custom payment amount. Confirm the payment, and the money will be deducted from your Cash App balance. Repaying your loan on time may help you remain eligible for future borrowing and could increase your borrowing limit over time, depending on Cash App's eligibility criteria. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Cash App loans. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.